Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online series in Future Executive School. How are you, educational class? I hope you are learning well. This is your English class. Open your book page number 10 and 11. Today our letter is D. Usually the D is make the sound D. 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 Capital D, small d, 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 D. The sound of this letter D. The sound of this letter D. Okay. We have multiple picture. You can see we have multiple picture. Tell me the name of this picture. Drum, 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 doll, 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 dinosaur, dinosaur, dog, dog, duck, duck, duck. Okay. These all pictures beginning sound is D. D, drum, D, drum, D, drum, D, dog, D, doll, D, doll, D, dinosaur, D, dinosaur, D, dinosaur, D, dog, D, dog, D, dog, D, duck, D, duck, D, duck. Repeat after me. D, drum, D, doll, D, dinosaur, D, dog, D, duck. Now open your book page number 11. Trace the letter D. Trace the letter D. How to trace? Trace with me. Like first standing line, join, 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 and move like that, round, 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 and join the dots. Okay, the next is the right to left looks like a C. Right to left looks like a C. Up and down, up and down, touch the ground. Up and down, touch the ground. Now next is color the drum. Color the drum. Start coloring with me. Color, color the drum. No outside, no white portion. Okay. Be neat and clean. After this, now at the end we are doing green color at the drum like that. Okay. You can see we have done the coloring. Wow, looking nice. Okay, we already learned the letter D. Sound of D is D. D, drum, doll, dinosaur, D, dog, and D, duck. D, drum, doll, dinosaur, dog, and duck. Okay. Trace the letter D. First step is join the dots of standing line, and second is move and join the dots, make a D. Okay. Step 1 is right to left looks like a C. Looks like a C. Up and down, touch the ground. Touch the ground. Okay, next is color the drum. Color the drum. Today your task, book page number 10, learn 11, write. Workbook page number 3 and 4, learn and write. Okay, see you again. Allah Hafiz.